Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that caught our attention, the 165A MIG Welder, a multi-process welding machine that comes with a complete set of accessories. You can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 165A MIG Welder? This machine is a true 4-in-1 welding powerhouse, featuring Gas MIG, Flux Core MIG, Stick MMA, and Lift TIG options all in one compact unit. It operates efficiently on dual voltage, supporting both 110V and 220V, which means you can use it in various settings without any hassle. With a robust output of 165 amps when plugged into a 220V outlet, it's versatile enough to tackle everything from thin auto body panels to thicker steel plates, making it suitable for home DIY projects, farm equipment repairs, and light industrial work. One of the standout features of this welder is its detachable MIG torch. It's designed for durability and reliability, ensuring that you can work confidently without worrying about wear and tear. The torch is easy to install and maintain, making it perfect for those who are frequently on the job. Whether you're in a garage, at a construction site, or in your personal workshop, this welder is built to keep up with the demands of heavy use. Another great aspect of this machine is its dual control modes. For beginners, the synergic mode is a fantastic feature that automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feed speed based on the wire diameter you select. This makes learning to weld much simpler and less intimidating. For the more experienced welder, the manual mode allows you to take full control, providing the precision needed for complex projects. The 165A MIG Welder also excels in wire feeding. Thanks to its precision-engineered drive roller system, you can expect smooth, consistent wire feeding with minimal jams, no more frustration during your welding sessions. The easy load spool design further eliminates common feeding issues, so you can focus on getting the job done right. Lastly, the machine comes with some excellent added features, including a smart fan system that only runs when needed, keeping operations quiet and energy efficient. The large LED display provides clear, real-time readings for easy operation, ensuring you're always on top of your settings. Plus, it comes with a full accessory kit, which includes an auto-darkening welding helmet, long welding gloves, samples of solid and flux core wire, a shoulder strap, and more. With everything included, you can open the box and start welding right away. In summary, the 165A MIG Welder is suitable for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and even